Hello guys, welcome to Viral Gist. This is Sam Clare.
My fellow
He's
Nigerians,
just reporting
I just want
that
to say congratulations because
they
we are
are
progressing.
having more
There's some
victory
information that we
in
can't
the
push out here,
suit
but
against
as
Naira Mali and
I can tell you
the
guys categorically that
Malians record that
they say if you want to cut,
MTV has pulled
if you want
out
to win
all Naira
a
Mali's
battle when you're
music,
fighting a demon,
and
you need to
so
cut their
many Sound
wings
City are
first. When you cut their
following,
wings,
and
they'll be able to
many
fly. Did you watch
many promotion
what's that movie
platform
again?
are taking away
Wakanda. You
Naira
saw that
Mali's
guy. They have to cut his
record.
wings. So
This
Naira
sounds
Mali
like a
wings have
good
been
thing.
cut
This
in the
sounds
sense
like
that justice has
a
started.
house cleaning
All
up
the
going on the
promoters have
entertainment
taken
sector.
down,
Let
withdraw.
every boss
As I'm
sit
speaking to you
up,
guys,
for
MTV
all
Base have
eyes are on the
taken down all
entertainment
his
sector
music.
right
As
now,
I'm speaking to you
and you should
guys,
live
Sam
up
City.
to
So we've done
expectation.
our own
Don't
work.
forget that we are
So it's now left
Viral
for the
Gist
police
at
to do their own
is
work.
breaking.
And for the police
He's
to do their
saying
own work, we
that
all need to
we should
cooperate
allow the
with the
police to
system.
do their
In
work.
as much we know that the system was
Many
corrupt or
procession has been going on
is
in Naira
corrupt, but we still
Mali's.
have some good people because we cannot categorically say that everybody in the system is
Many
corrupt.
procession has been going on
So
for
let's be patient with
MOHBAD
the system
across the
and let's
world.
abide by the
We
law.
saw a candle
Let's respect the
procession
law.
in London,
There is
Peckham.
still hope in
That,
Nigeria.
I think that was the
Justice
former
for
place
MOHBAD.
that Naira Mali
God bless you
lived
all.
before he relocated to Nigeria. This is the era view of MOHBAD's procession. Justice for MOHBAD walk at Lagos, championed by OBO and Fast the Bad Guy. These are the two notable celebrities that were seen on ground marching for justice for MOHBAD. MOHBAD has really lived a life, and he has become an hero when he's gone. Too bad. Lagos State assumes Mohbad's body for autopsy. We are still waiting for the result of the autopsy, but from what we saw from the coffee, there was still fresh blood from it. Was Mohbad really killed? Was he murdered? Was he poisoned? Was he injected with a poisonous substance? Still let us know what you think about this on your comment section. You are welcome to Viral Gist like always, as we serve it hot and entertaining at Viral Gist. Stay tuned and God bless you. This is a picture of OBO warming up for Mohbad's match. He just flew in, he just flew back from his tour around the world, and now he has come to pay homage to Mohbad. OBO 001 for a reason is always with the masses. This is a look-alike to Sam Larry. He has come to cry that he now moves with his ID card only to prove that he's not Sam Larry. He's begging that please, he's not Sam Larry. He's not even related to him. That they should not be treating him like Sam Larry because all eyes on him. Coming from the dust in Enugu State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal in Enugu has upheld the election of Peter Mba of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in March 18, 2023 polls. We are seeing result that he has defeated the Labour Party both on the election and both in court. The NYC certificates not needed to contest governorship election. Enugu Tribunal Star LP candidate Chijioke Edoga. What do you think at the comment section? So you can just forge any certificate as long as it doesn't affect. We have wondered the kind of justices we are having in this country. What is giving them the kind of effrontery to commit such travesty in the face of the law? This is RFI having an interview with the Director General of NYC concerning this Uber issue.
See, there's also another case. You remember about the result of an NYC debacle that made a former Minister of Finance in this country resign her position.
Didn't come
this
from
constant forgery of
NYC.
What happens around the racketeering? What have you done to stop whatever is going on there?
Forge certificate as long as it is uphold.
Well, my brother, you know, this case is in court. I may not want to say much, but let me draw your attention
he should be
issue of racketeering
disqualified.
in every
We had a
facet of
minister
life
that was
is
disqualified and he
happening
resigned
in this
because
country.
of
Not
this
only in
same
Nigeria,
issue.
everywhere you know. So it's not only NYSC. And let me tell
There
you,
was actually a country. What
the
do you
issue
think?
of the certificate
Drop
you are
your
talking
comment in the
about,
comment
I
section.
don't want to talk much
And
about
also
it.
forget
They
that this, in
they
this
came
same
to
country
NYSC for
that a
verification.
serving
We said
minister
this
has been
certificate is not
given
issued from us.
a serving corps member
I
has been given a
wonder
minister.
why issue of
As a
racketeering
corps
will come
member
up
is still a minister.
when you are talking about elite, somebody who is a graduate, somebody who is
Rest
well
in peace,
enlightened.
MOHBAD.
You obtain certificate from where?
That's all I
You
have
don't know
to
where
say.
you obtain certificate. You don't know how we issue our certificate. So you have problem with certificate. How?
Forget
You can't go
about
and collect certificate on the
political
street.
justice.
You can't go and collect certificate in your room. You
Our
don't go and collect certificate in the
our
hotel.
judiciary system are in
You
the
should know
pocket
better.
of the
Please, I don't want to talk much
politicians
about this.
who
The
uses
governor
them
elect is
and
a
they die to
lawyer.
their
I am
tone
not
at
a
any
lawyer, but I
given
know
price.
as a DG NYC, I'm aware, fully aware of this case. He came to
Stay
me.
tuned to
I told him,
Viragis. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and
Let me
leave
see
a
your
comment
certificate.
below.
I
And turn on
was
the
so frank
notification
and clear
button
to him that
for
this
more
certificate is not from
breaking
us.
news around the
I'll show you
world.
some few examples just to help him. But he chose to go to court and even to sue whoever that is suing. Well, as far as I'm concerned, NYC has
The
not been
court
sued.
have not said you
I'm
can
yet to
go
see
from any
from court. I have not seen anything. All you are saying or what people are saying, I'm just hearing
your
from outside.
governorship ambition.
I have not received any court
That's
order.
what
I
they
have not
have
seen
done.
anything.
They forgot
But
that
I
the
bet
day you give a bad
we
judgment, you
don't
plant a
tolerate
seed
anything
of reference
certificate
to such case in the
racketeering.
future.
If it is from any of our staff, we cut you, we hand you
There are
over to
some
the
standards that the
lawyer.
money cannot buy.
Authority, they will go and
Brigadier General,
but not from us.
Brigadier General, maybe you should read this day newspaper. There's a story that says Enugu governor-elect Mbasu's NYSC demands 20 billion for alleged fraudulent misrepresentation of facts. Maybe you should read that so that maybe when it comes to your front, you'll be able to.
Do you see somebody on the pages of newspaper?
No, but it's reported based on the law.
You listen to newspaper and act on that one.
Maybe you will get, once you get it, maybe you'll be able to respond
We are
to
waiting
it.
for the.
Yes.
We are breaking it.
Okay.
Well, when we get to,
And coming from
we will
United
respond at the
States
court.
of America, we have just saw a video of the former governor of Anambra State, Willie Obiano, enjoying his vacation in the United States. It's only in this country. What the question people ask is that why didn't he make Anambra this conducive for him, only for him to travel outside the country to enjoy the luxury of a working government? Why is government failed so woefully in Anambra State? Stay tuned to Viragist. You are welcome. We are giving shout out to all our new subscribers, to our new returning subscribers. We stay glued to this channel as we'll be serving you with the most entertaining news around the world. Thank you.